there, Beagle-chan. Welcome to Meow's PNG tuber introduction. Meow's name is Meowbah. Please call Meow, Meow. Meow talks in third person. Please use she, meow, magic, or dual pronouns for meow. Meow is an aspiring kawaii Minecraft content creator. Meow is inspired by Meow's favorite creator, Jellybean-sama. Meow asked Meow's viewers for some questions to answer in Meow's videos. Okie dokie, hey Meowbah, how was your day night? Meow is doing super great. Meow's day was lovely. Thank you for asking, Frog-chan. What's your favorite dream recipe ship? Meow's favorite dream recipe ship is Dream X George. How did you come up with your pronouns? Meow feels a deep connection to meow, doll, and magic. Meow for meows, love for meows. Doll because meow is a doll. And magic because meow is a magical girl. How are you a magical girl? Meow has been a magical girl all Meow's life. Meow saves the world in different universes, and every time Meow dies, Meow is reborn in present time as something new. In present times, Meow has taken the body of a doll.